Hey everybody, today we're going to install a bed rug on my 2022 Chevy Trail Boss. So stick around and let's dig into the box and see what we're up against. Thanks for sticking around. Now, some of you might be saying, what's a bed rug? Well, it's actually one of these. So it basically protects the bed, all the exposed surfaces. Now there's different kinds you can get. You can get the full liners that include the sides all the way around, and then I guess the floor, and then also the tailgate. So, or you can get sometimes just the flat horizontal pieces. So anyway, what we're going to do is put in the full liner. Now, some of you may be asking, you just got the bed, finished with the spray-in liner, so why are you putting a bed rug in it? Well, some of the stuff that I haul, like I haul some like my wheelchair for my dad, so we can get him transported around to different places. Also, some of the stuff for work that I haul, it really can't be damaged. It could cost money if it gets damaged. So just an extra layer of protection. It's kind of like the guy who buys floor mats to protect his floor mats. Yeah, I'm one of those. So anyway, so here it is. It's the full liner for the Chevy Silverado or the GMC Sierra with the 5.8 bed 2019 plus. So hopefully this fits. Now there's been a little bit of discussion on some of the comments about a special adhesive package that is needed to install this over the spray-in liner. It says you need to buy this extra kit. I did not buy it. I rolled the dice because some of the reviews said that, hey, it was already included in the box. So I'm excited to see what's in there. So hold on just a second and let's get that box opened up. Here it is out of the box. It's just basically rolled up. I believe there's several pieces. Included were some instructions, and yeah, it looks like that kit that I was talking about was included. So basically it's some 3M adhesive promoter, to help it attach to these Velcro. So anyway, the bad news is for me today is that it specifically says instruction number 1, truck bed should be at least 68 degrees Fahrenheit for maximum adhesion. Well, today in my garage, it's about 45 degrees. So obviously this is gonna have to wait for another day, which sucks because I also have this right here is a Gator retractable hard tonneau cover. And so, but before I put that on, I've got to get this bed rug installed. So anyway, about the actual product, this is the back side. This is like a really heavy duty, like an all-weather carpet. And it's very spongy and soft to the touch, but still also feels like it will take some abuse. I really like it. I see a zipper on here. I guess this is where some of the pieces will zip together. We'll know more about that once we actually get it all laid out and try to install it, but that's not going to be today. So actual filming is going to be delayed, but just hang on a second and we'll pick up where we leave off here. Okay, so we're back. Change of venue. It's a day later and I've moved my truck. We're going to do this down at my office where I've got a big garage that is climate controlled when I want it to be. So it's a nice comfortable 71 degrees in here. It's going to get down below 0 here in Oklahoma in a couple of days. And that cold temperatures are going to stick around for a while. So I decided let's just come on down to the shop and let's work on it here. So basically the BedRug's full coverage thing comes in 2 pieces. This is one piece. It wraps around from the sides to the cab and the other side. It's all one piece. There's a zipper on the bottom that once we put in the floor panel, which is one big piece, it encompasses the floor and the tailgate. So here it is right here. One big piece. This is the side that will be exposed to the elements. So let me flip it over and you can take a look at the other side, what actually sticks to the bed. Hold on just a second. Okay, and here it is, the underneath side. You can see it's got the contours that will fit the contours of the bed. Those darker strips right there, that's where some of the Velcro will be positioned. And then they've also got Velcro around the perimeter to where you can put little, these Velcro thingies, they kind of break off in little pieces. So we'll be putting those around the perimeter. So yeah, it's just one big piece. Step one is to go ahead and put the Velcro strips on both of these pieces. And then I'm going to flip this over and then try to attach those side piece by zipper and get it basically all zippered together and then put it up in the truck. Those red stripes, that's the actual backing for the sticky part. So I'm going to leave that backing on there until I've got everything in position pretty much, and I'm ready to pull that backing off and then stick it down to the floor. There it is, all zipped together. Boy, I tell you what, better have some patience when you do that. By the way, sorry for the background noise. It's next door, it's a music gym class. But anyway, so there it is. I'm going to strategically position some of the Velcro around the edges before I put it up in the truck, and then we'll kind of see how it fits before we actually attach anything. Okay, I've just got it positioned up in the truck. One thing the instructions say, and it's very important, is whenever you're getting ready to actually attach it, make sure it's as far, pushed forward. That way it doesn't like bunch up whenever you close the tailgate, because it is one piece, so you don't want a bunch of slack in there. You want it as tight up against the cab as possible. These things are custom fit. In order to get good adhesion, you're going to need to wipe down all of the surfaces where you're going to stick the Velcro stuff to. You need to wipe that down with some good alcohol. It says do not use any petroleum-based cleaners or glass cleaner. Alcohol only. Okay, I've got the tailgate piece just folded up so you can kind of see. The instructions say to go ahead and lay out, basically attach your Velcro pieces. And you'll do that all the way around the entire thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out and position my Velcro pieces. Then I'm going to come back with the alcohol and clean the surfaces so we get good adhesion. Here's what it looks like with the Velcro. You've got one long piece across the top and then these smaller pieces across the bottom. It's a similar setup against the cab, and then it's basically the little tabs basically scattered around and about the perimeter of the side pieces. One cool thing this has is my truck's got the AC outlet and also the bed, floodlight things. If you'll notice right here, these are cutouts and they're already lined up. I put it up next to it and everything lines up great. So that's going to be pretty easy. I don't like cutting stuff like this, but hey, it's got to be done. Also, I've got tie down hooks and there's also some in the front. So there's no slits for those. So those are going to have to be cut. And it looks like these are slits for those tie down hooks, which, man, that really makes things easy. As you can see, there are plenty of little Velcro tags to go around. So I've got all those in place. I've taken my alcohol and a clean rag and wiped down really good all of the spots in the places where these tags are going to contact the inside of the bed.
So the next thing I need to do is take the activator that they gave me to promote adhesion with the spray-in bed liner. So once I put the activation adhesive promoter on, it looks like it's just a wipe. So we'll get that wipe down, and then I'm going to just start at the very front, at the bottom. I'm just going to start tucking everything in nice and tight, and then pull off the red little pieces of tape and the white tape, and then press it into place and just work my way towards the back of the truck, equally on each side. Or no, I'll probably just do one side and then the other, and then I'll get to the tailgate and we'll finish up the tailgate. So there's the finished product, all installed. Man, I really like it. Tell me what you think in the comments. Installation, it was a little bit tedious, but it really wasn't too bad. The quality is really good. The fit's really good. The cutouts were pretty decent. I like to have a little bit more Velcro around those just to tidy them up a little bit, so we might add that at some point in time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit me up with some comments, and also hit that subscribe button. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off. Until next time, be safe, have fun.